Right, it's got the scent of something. Holly, this way. Come on. Where's your ball? Can't go any further. I'm going to get wet feet. Come on, be brave. This way. Come on, keep going. Holly, it's over here. I think you're still in frame. I can't see you. Yeah. Ooh, getting wet feet. Get your ball. Clever girl. Now back this way. Oh no. She goes up there because she knows I can't get to her. Come on, this way. Come on, in you go. Clever girl. Now can we finish our walkies? Because it's going to bucket down in a minute. Oh. Chewy time.